car shipping. Granite City, Illinois Premium Auto Transport. Granite City, Illinois is one of the region's most important manufacturing cities, specializing in steel and granite utensils. 28,000 live in Granite City, many finding work in its thriving industries. The community is also known for its vibrant parks and entertainment facilities. Shipping an automobile from Granite City can be a smooth process, and A-1 Auto Transport has met the community's car shipping needs for 3 decades, winning consistent 5-star local feedback. Prices and times for Illinois auto shipping are estimated. They can vary depending on the season and what type of vehicle you are shipping. Having your automobile professionally shipped from Granite City to any destination nationwide can be simple and stress-free. A-1 Auto Transport takes care of the entire process, saving customers from the headaches associated with DIY car shipping projects, which often turn into nightmares. The shipping firm is invested in delivering the best experience possible, staying on time, and charging a reasonable fee. A-1 Auto Transport can help you speed up your auto transport shipping. Call us at 1-888-230-9116.